everyone, I'm Kelly D, and today is all about breakfast. Do you know that breakfast is the most important meal of the day, and it is the one meal that most persons skip? Well, today I'm going to share with you a breakfast, quick and easy for those busy persons on the go. Today we'll be making oatmeal smoothie. So delicious. So let's go over the ingredients. We have 1/4 cup of rolled oats. We have 1/4 cup of almond milk. Now you can use any other kind of milk, but I'm using the almond milk today. 1 fully ripe banana. The banana is a must. 1 cup of pineapple chunks and 1 cup of cantaloupe chunks. Now I always use 3 fruits. Banana is a must, but you can choose any other fruits that you want to make this healthy oatmeal smoothie. 1/4 cup of cashews to bring some protein, and 2 tablespoons of honey so we can sweeten this oatmeal breakfast. This is really just one step. All we have to do is add all of our ingredients to the blender, and you will see from the ingredients that we have here that it will be almost a fully balanced meal. The only thing missing is the starch. We have protein, we have minerals and vitamins, we have our fiber. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add all of our ingredients to the blender. And then we're going to blend for about 2 minutes or until it's nice and smooth. Our oatmeal smoothie is now done, and as the name suggests, it is so smooth. It's a beautiful color. Now it's time for us to taste. For those busy persons on the go, oatmeal smoothie. Now the best part to taste. So nice. I can really taste all of the fruits, and the pineapple is just popping. But you can choose whatever fruits you want, but you must have banana for the body. But any fruits, your favorite fruits, you can use to make this smoothie. Oatmeal smoothie, now you need to try it. Now, if you enjoyed this smoothie recipe, I'm going to encourage you to look over here, see a playlist of other drinks that I've done, and once you've watched them all, just click the button below, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I post a video. And remember to leave me a comment and like this video. I love hearing from you.